Hey guys, welcome back. It is Husbay of Kenya Dog Plans, and we're here today on another edition of the Valentine's Day spread. So, for you guys that know, I normally do this every year for my wife. So, if you're a first timer, hey, this is why you hear Guy's voice instead of my wife's. But please grab you guys some wine and some chocolates and stay tuned. Okay, guys, so we're back and we want to thank you guys for, of course, joining us on this spread today. As you can see, as my wife is getting started and getting to it, the winter icons by KELL Plans. So that's what she's starting out with today as far as her different stickers of what she's pulling out today. But thank you guys for, of course, joining us again. And if you're new, of course, please like, share, and subscribe. I do this every Valentine's Day for my wife, and I think it has been a hit. People have been enjoying it for over the last few years that I've been able to do it. So this is not the professional or the normal Kenya Doll Plans way of doing this spread, but however, I promise to be very entertaining. So we're getting right to it as she's getting into, of course, her stickers, and looks like she's already starting from the jump, performing surgery and cutting, look like a heart rainbow. Look, and also, man, look, comment in the section, man. Anything as far as Valentine's Day, and what I mean by that, of course, this is a great week and a great day. First off, I'm gonna say, ladies, happy Valentine's Day. Secondly, fellas, celebrate this day, of course, with your ladies, but also at the same time, make sure that you celebrate every day. So therefore, you're not feeling all the pressure of Valentine's Day. But let's see, we're getting roses. Oh, we got the lingerie. Lingerie. Girl, you trying to set the mood, ain't you? Okay, I am loving this so far. Yes, okay, this might be my favorite spread. Let's continue. But man, of course, many of you know me and my wife, we've been married now for 13 years, dating for a little bit over 17 years now, actually. But the biggest thing is, I think our very first, believe it or not, our very first Valentine's Day, we actually, y'all gonna laugh at this, we actually ended up buying each other, I want to say, phones. And I think at the time, man, it was like this popular phone on Sprint, who was the carrier I had back at the time. I think it was like when they first went to like the different Palm Pilots, and I can't even remember the name of it, but I remember she actually went and bought it for me. And I was just like, wow, I can't believe you actually bought me a phone. So I was like, oh yeah, I got it. She's a keeper. And man, just every year for Valentine's Day, we always try to do something to celebrate each other, whether if it's from dinner, gifts, flowers, etc. I mean, it's the regular things, but I think when you put a lot of effort into, make sure that you're consistently dating and taking care and loving each other, you just don't get caught up in the one day fast. But man, she has dropped down candles. Ooh, is that a cupcake? Yes, it is. Flowers, y'all. Let me tell you something. She is really laying it out. Okay, girl. I am with you on this spread. Oh, by the way, y'all, so me going through this, she's actually did the editing, but she does not know any of this, is what I'm saying. So don't y'all be ratting me out now, okay? Because I'm supposed to be keeping this PG-13, but clearly I don't know, because this is very grown focused right here. But yes, because I mean, is that the robe too? So we got the lingerie, we got the robe. Oh, girl, all we need is some fire. A fire track playlist going in the background. It's gonna be on. Maybe some strawberries. But please, guys, make sure to have a great Valentine's Day. Enjoy yourselves, enjoy, your other. And if you're single, hey, enjoy yourself. Because guess what? You got to take care of yourself first and foremost. But back to the spread. So it looks like she's really focusing on the edges here of everything with stickers or what she's laying. Man, I'm loving the fact of staying, of course, with the Valentine colors. Performing surgery again on another heart's rainbow. But just being very consistent with the Valentine Day color. Of course, my favorite color is red. She knows that, so it's like red is just perfect for Valentine's Day. um, Man, we got balloons. Like, this is really, really nice, babe. I'm loving this. I really am. This is coming together, girl. I think this is gonna be about my favorite. For real. I don't. Okay, so we got boxes. She's laying down. Or putting down, rather. Now, what this box looks like, it's matching. So she's pulling it up because maybe it's too close. Knowing my wife, yeah, that's probably the reason why she pulled it up. Yep, knowing her. But so I want to share this with you guys. Like I said, since she's not on, so today, well, actually, I actually asked her a couple of days ago would she actually be my Valentine, because I told her we was gonna start dating again. So I actually bought a card, some chocolate, roses covered, chocolate covered strawberries, and I actually asked her to be my Valentine, and she was like, yes. So now, since she is Valentine's Day and she is for sure my Valentine, so today I planned a nice little dinner, reservation at a restaurant with flowers, wine, all the etceteras, and it's gonna be really, really nice, and really excited about it. I know she's gonna love it because it's one of her favorite restaurants as well here in town, so it's gonna be really cool. So okay, it looks like she's cutting the edges, I guess, to get it lined up real well. I guess where the stickers are over. And man, like I said, I congratulate you guys in this community, man, because y'all really be doing the thing when it comes to these stickers, these pages, how y'all turning the surgeons, working with this. I mean, this is just true art, and I'm a big fan of art. So thank you guys. If I never tell you enough, thank you for all that y'all do, because this is entertaining for me. Believe it or not, I watch a lot of this stuff. She shows me this stuff, even in, because she's into it. Guess what? I'm into it also. So, and we got the X-Acto knife out. Yeah, that's when you know you got that real surgeon. When you got that X-Acto out. So we're trimming away, but please, would y'all drop any story or anything as far as in the comments about Valentine's Day, what you love about it, what you don't like about it, best Valentine's Day gift, worst Valentine's Day gift. I think my best was, of course, from Kenya, has been that cell phone. I don't know, it just meant something to me at the time because I really, really, really wanted that phone at the time, and I think I couldn't even get it. They didn't have none in stock. I don't even know how she pulled it off. I think she ended up ordering it from somewhere. And man, that just made a day, because remember, we were like we were in college when this happened. So yeah, I was beyond joy, and I think I ended up buying her a Coach purse. I think I bought her a Coach bag for Valentine's Day back then. I want to say chocolate at that, because she loves brown and she loves chocolate. All right, so let's see where we are. We are realigning. She has a couple boxes in place. Looks like she's trying to figure and think it through. But okay, another box coming into play. Man, on this special day also, well, actually just this special week, of Valentine, even though we just had the Super Bowl, but yesterday was Galentine's Day for a lot of people. New to Galentine's Day, kind of. I mean, I'm excited for it because I love when women celebrate each other, but now we got to come up with trying to think of a male version. Valentine's, I don't know, that don't sound too masculine, but we're gonna work on that. We're gonna come up with a guy's day, for all my fellows who are in here. We're gonna have a day too. We just can't let them just run off on us now. But back to the spread. Okay, it's coming together, looking pretty complete. Looks like she still has a couple more things on the wax paper. Is that another flower? Yeah, like she's gonna perform some more surgery down there on that rose. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I was confused for a second. But thank you guys for supporting me in doing this. This is definitely different for me. And coming on doing this for my wife. But at the same time, I do anything for her, and I really appreciate the support that I've gotten from you guys over the past few years, and wanting me to do more. Promise, probably more will be coming. Still getting kind of like familiar and used to this, the terminology, knowing what to do. I'm gonna fool around and do a spread on y'all. That's really gonna shock y'all and blow y'all mind. So I ain't gonna even tell you. I'm just gonna pop up just like I popped up on here today. And for the new people, I'm sorry, y'all, if I didn't address you guys, but like I said, you will be entertained. But so it looks like she's dropped 2 more boxes. What we working on? Is she working on the bullet holes? Yeah, look like she's gonna put some bullet holes on here. Boom. Something that you guys can drop on me also is your favorite Valentine's Day song or album or whatever. Mine today, I have been jamming nothing but Drew Hill today. So going through all the classics because, hey, just want to feel and have that love today. And I mean, we choose love. We spread love. Today is all about love, and loving on people. Of course, loving on the ones who are close and dear to us. But just loving on people in general, which is what we're supposed to do anyhow. Is she performing? Oh, she was cutting. Oh, that was in the way. Is that the bra strap? Well, the strap of the lingerie? Girl, I'll be fooling with that lingerie. Shoot, what you doing? But you know what? That is a kicker for me because I don't think I've ever seen lingerie sticker before. So therefore, that has definitely took things to the next level for me. And trust me, I am happy, all the way happy about that one. Because, yeah, we going to have some fun today. All right, so the rest of her little bullet hole boxes, she's drawing and filling those in. Man, this is really, 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 really nice. She's pointing at something up there. But yeah, this is really came together. I know she's not done because she's pulling out one of her sticker books. She's clearly gonna add something else. Maybe some hearts. Okay, yes, she's gonna add some additional hearts. Cause hey, you cannot run out of love on Love Day, period. So you can put all the hearts, use whatever you want to use. I don't care if you had a page full of hearts. Guess what? Nobody better not dislike it because it is Love Day, period. All right. So hearts, and more hearts. Is there a heart in the house tonight? Hey, a little throwback there. All right. Looks like trying to figure out a few more things here. Yeah, this looks like one of her favorite books. She looks like she's pulled a lot from this one. So she really has love or like using this one rather. Man. All right. So yeah. So I don't know, man. This journey, I think for her has been really, really awesome. It's been awesome for me too. Y'all probably wouldn't believe this. Not only do I use a planner, but I ain't made it to the stickers yet, so don't judge me. But you know what? I'm very selective in like the things that I really place and use. And I take a lot of notes from like stuff that she utilizes that really helps me honestly stay organized. And I was not a big planner user, believe it or not. Because, like most guys, guess what? I think I can remember it. How we just try to be bold, like our mind just so great, knowing we don't forgot what happened 5 minutes ago. But, hey, that's who we are. But at the same time, hey, I had to take accountability and start realizing, guess what, Gerard? Memory just might not be as great as you think it is. But, hey, fellas, we got to take the L's when we take them. All right, so we're still looking for some more boxes. Okay. I don't know what the deal is. I guess it must be something she doesn't like or... Oh, looking for a longer one. Gotcha. Okay. Man, this is pretty cool. Like, really, really, really cool. And... Okay, nope, not right there. Not right there. Maybe up there. Nope. Move around. Hey, yo, there go that cheat code. Cause that, oh, yeah, all right, so we good. All right, so I have another box here. And, I don't know, guys. I would really, 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 I don't know. I think I'm motivated. I think I'm really motivated to do a spread now. Because honestly, it's just like how fast she's doing this and making this happen. I don't know. I'm gonna say I'm gonna be bold enough to step out there and do me a spread. Don't laugh at me now. Don't talk about it. When I do this thing, I don't want no judgment now. Please, no judgment. Nah, seriously, I just like to take chances on stuff. I do it just because, and like I said, because I love her. I would do it just for her if she asked me to. Which I guess by the time she hears this, she's probably gonna hold me accountable to it now. All right. So let's create step boxes. Okay, we got that linked up. Set aside. Look like we're gonna add some more points in here. Yeah, let's get this going. So we can have it for the week. All right. Man, this is super nice. I don't know what else she can really do to it, girl. I mean, this is it. Like, for real. Okay. Even your nails match. Look at that, girl. You all match, okay? Back to the one icon sticker book. Yep. Which one? KELL Plan. Shout out to KELL Plan. Ooh, that looks almost delicious. Yeah, this is almost making me hungry. Yeah, this is making me, I don't know, I'm excited, y'all. Let me tell y'all something. Today gonna be a really good day for somebody. Not saying no names, but for somebody. All right, good job, baby. It looks awesome. For real, for real. All right, so rainbow quotes. So we're gonna find the quotes the same. And honestly, guys, I'm gonna tell y'all something. I don't know how y'all keep up with all of this, because I would be so lost. I wouldn't remember where nothing is. I just told y'all I'm barely doing good with my planner. Okay. Oh, gotcha. Oh, nope, that didn't work. All right, but I am excited about our reservation tonight at this restaurant to really go eat. Really great food, have some wine, listen to some music, and just really vibe the night out, man, and just really truly enjoy each other, which is of course what this day is totally about. Ooh, that's a nice little note down there. There's a couple nice little notes on this page. Oh, this looks like this might be the winner. Okay. Yeah, looks like that. Oh, not there. Oh, gotta be quicker than that. Nope, didn't make it. Right, go back to the drawing board. And she's trying to decide where this goes. But I really wish that everyone has an amazing Valentine's Day. Truly enjoy you guys. Enjoy yourself. As always, thank you for the support. Making the guy tear up over here. Okie dokie. So yeah, so we are gonna go with the quote right here. Let's go. There go that cheat code, and that whiteout. I never would have knew. I'm surprised ain't nobody like created the planner version of whiteout. All right, so that goes in. All right, so what we got? She is writing in. Dear. Wait a minute now. Is this for me? Say it ain't so. That's why. Oh, so we got the zoom in, the close up, and what from? Oh, baby. Y'all, my wife is so freaking amazing. Thank you, beautiful. Hey guys, this is of course the end of our spread. So thank you guys, of course, for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also to the Instagram as well. Thank you guys, of course, for the views and just for supporting us, and also for supporting me today. And thank you. We just want to leave you guys happy Valentine's Day. And we out.